Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful crochet pattern designs of babies jumpsuits and rompers, and these are very trending in nowadays. As you can see that every design is different from each other, and some are similar but the color and the pattern schemes are different, and they are very trending in nowadays. If your newborn baby will look so comfortable and shiny and bright in these trendy jumpsuits and rompers, so you can customize it in any colors with and you can design it with different buttons, laces and different kind of styles. So you can wear it with even you can customize the same booties, gloves and head bows, headbands and shoes as well. And your baby will look so stylish and funky in these stylish baby rompers and jumpsuits. So if you are planning to do something to yourself, like you want to invest in crochet, I would definitely recommend you guys to invest in baby accessories and babies related things like baby crochet booties, caps, hats and some rompers, jumpsuits, frogs. These types of things are very much in demand in western and eastern countries both. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and watch the complete video, and you will get the latest designs as well. So if you like it, share it with your friends and let me know your favorite crochet jumpsuit pattern from this video. Thank you.